Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Thor the Thunder Puppy. Yay! We are doing an unboxing video today. We've got the Teeter Totter from Better Sporting Dogs, and we are gonna open this baby up. I'm super excited. My knee is the only thing holding this thing up right now. We're gonna pull this out real quick. Ready, Thor? Ah! Let's see if there's anything else. Nope, that was it. There's the directions.
Now this is just the practice size teeter. It is not a full-size competition one. But it is perfect for the little dog to, or actually any size dog, to learn and practice at home. How about you see the instructions before you just start tearing into it?
That peeled off. Here.
Okay, that was really super easy. It's not as much assembly as what I actually thought it was. It's all put together. You just have to latch it in place. It folds up for easy storage. There's a couple of little, here, let me show you what we did. Okay, what we did was we unfolded the boards, and then you slid these little things through the holes, the little metal things, and flip this latch over. And then we straightened out the legs and locked them into place. It's that simple. Now we have a 6-foot long practice teeter, so we can start training Thor on this obstacle.
Can I walk it?
Sure, go for it.
Alright, I'm kind of scared for this. I like it. Again.
Yeah.
Can I do it
Yeah,
from
the
this
practice one. This, I believe the website said it is good for up to 150 pounds. So bigger dogs can also use this to practice.
side? And I down him 150 pounds, so I'm good. With the sound, it kind of makes me a little scared, but I'll probably be fine.
Some of that sound is probably your flip-flops on the contact material, the anti-slip stuff.
I'm going to try it without...
All right, so it's a good toy for kids too.
Yep.
The dogs really don't know what it is for yet, so they don't seem too impressed.
So we really like this, and we can't wait to get started training Thor for it. If you like this video at any point, make sure to give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Bye.